guys, in this video we'll be discussing about Amazon Software Development Engineer or Amazon Off-Campus Drive or Amazon Recruitment Drive 2021. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the lateral hiring updates and the interview preparation guides or the interview preparation videos. So also you can check our official YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So here you can see we have uploaded minimum of 100 to 150 videos regarding latest off campus. So please watch our latest videos especially and apply for the job profiles as per your eligibility and according to your qualification or background. And also if you want to know more about the Amazon Software Development Engineer 123 hiring process or the frequently asked questions and answers, you can refer to our previous video. So we have already uploaded a video regarding this. It is of 30 minutes video. Everything we have discussed here about its eligibility, or you can say about the hiring process and recruitment process, you can say frequently asked questions and answers, and the topic wise we have discussed the important topics syllabus, or you can say we have discussed everything. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video so that you'll be able to know about all these things. So please watch this video especially if you want to crack this interview. So most of the time we cover the about the Amazon Recruitment Drive because we know they hire few people, but the candidates who get shortlisted for this job profile, their life is set. So that's why we have make videos regarding Amazon off campus especially. So now let's discuss about the job profile they are hiring for. So later we'll be discussing about the eligibility, then we'll be discussing about the application process, etc. So please watch this video till the end for more details. So they are hiring for the software development engineer, and job ID here you can see, and job location they are hiring for Bangalore only, and jobs for the recent graduates or the fresh graduates, and the salary will be getting starting from 12 LPA to 17 to 18 LPA fixed. Then the job category is the software development only. So now let's discuss about the key job responsibilities or the job roles. So you have to collaborate with experienced cross-disciplinary Amazon uh, Amazon experienced people to conceive, design, and bring innovative products and the services to the market. Newly, or the you can say the innovative products you need to bring to the market. Then design and build innovative technologies in a large distributed computing environment. Then these things you can by yourself, go through this you can later by yourself, and work in agile environment to deliver high quality software, design and code the right solutions starting with broadly defined problems. So these are the key responsibilities here. So now let's discuss one of the most important thing you must be knowing before applying for this job role, that is the eligibility criteria or the basic qualification or the skills required. It is one of the most important thing. So now let's discuss. So the basic qualifications required here is currently enrolled in bachelor's or master's degree. That means in 2021. Especially they are giving more importance to the 2021 and 2022 year of pass out or the batch candidates in computer science or computer engineering or any related field at the time of application. So that means, as we discussed earlier, only 2020, 2021 and 2022 year of pass out candidates will be getting more priority here. And familiarity with the syntax of languages such as Java or C, C++, Python, etc. So it is not required that you know each and every programming languages. So you must be knowing either Java or C or Python, etc. But your proficiency level will be more because you are going to attend the Amazon off campus. So the knowledge of computer science fundamentals such as object-oriented programming or object-oriented design, algorithm design, and the data structure, problem solving, and the complexity analysis, etc. So now let's discuss about the preferred qualification. So previous technical intensive or the training must be there or should be there. Experience with distributed or multi-tiered system algorithms and the relational database like SQL, Oracle, etc. Experience in optimization mathematics such as linear programming or linear algebra, non-linear optimization or the algebra, etc. If we effectively architect technical challenge and the solutions. So these are the preferred qualification and the basic qualification or the eligibility or the skills required here for this job profile. So if you are interested for this job profile, you need to simply clicking on the apply now button here. After that, you'll be able to apply for this job profile. So first of all, you need to log in into their official career portal of amazon.com. So after logging into their system, or after logging into their career portal, you'll be able to apply for this job role. So already I have logged in into my account, so that's why it is saying that's why it is showing me like this. So previously, if you have applied for this job profile, then at the left side here you can see it will be coming like this. If you have previously applied for this job role, and the next time when you are going to apply for this job role, or again if you are going to attend apply for other off profile or off campus, simply need to click on the save and continue button. After that, you will be able to submit for this off campus drive or application, because previously whenever you are attend applied for any other profile, the things it has saved in the system automatically. In the next time where when you are logging into their system to apply for another job profile, then it will automatically fetch all these things on the data according to the previously filled document or application. So after this, you will be able to apply for this job role. So first of all, you need to attach your resume, then contact information, general questions, work history or the skills, education, work eligibility, acknowledgement, and some of the self identification questions you'll be getting, like whether you do have any work permit or not, gender, etc, etc. Then review and submit, you need to clicking on the last option, or you can say in the last button. So this is all about the Amazon recruitment drive. So if you are facing any doubts regarding this off campus, or if you have anything or any issues, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching.